Hi, welcome to Craft Little Things. Today it's an exciting day. These days come around so quick, but it's the day when I've received my subscription from Big and Little Crochet. So let's have a look and see what's inside this one. First of all, I'll demonstrate how not to open a bag. Oh, that's okay. Ooh, what's in this one? This feels like quite a big pack. Right, so we have episode 8 and 9. Ooh, sorry for the crinkling. This is building up really quickly, and now they seem to have really got their act together with regard to timing. Wow, this one's called Summer Fun. Look at that. Look how lovely and bright and vivid those colours are. I love them. Let me just zoom in a little bit. Look at this gorgeous yarn as well. It doesn't say what the shade is, but it'll say inside. First of all, I'm going to turn to the back because I always turn to the back. Wow. A Tudor rose hexagon. I'll have to grab my rose and some slate and do that one. I'll crochet that one right now. Let's have a look. That's part of, if you haven't seen this series, it's Big and Little. It's a part work collection, and each time there's the yarn and a pattern for a hexagon that will eventually make this gorgeous throw. So obviously we're on to number 8 and 9 now, so I've got all those ready. So it contains patterns, lovely patterns and tips for crochet, and as I said, the crochet, and then now and again you get free gifts. I've had a lovely crochet little accessories kit, had a free book, number 5 was a free book. The yarns come obviously with them every time. And they're nice yarns as well. I think they're a drops Aran weight cotton, because these colours seem to be in that range. So if you needed some more, I think that's where they are. If you look back on a couple of my videos, there's a bit of a comment going on between me and somebody else about where to get these from. So each book is themed, so this one's Summer Fun. Oh wow, look at those. That's something I definitely want to make. I've got the right colours in for those as well. They are so cute. Oh, they've got like a little container. So they're like an orange. Oh, they're great. Oh, I think I'll make those really soon. They're fab. A pear puffet. Oh, it says. I love that. Oh, I love the colour of that as well. It tells you what yarn you need. So 300 gram balls of DMC Natura XL cotton in natural 3 and a few meters in brown. Isn't that cute? Look at that. What an unusual buffet. Cute. Excuse the dog barking. She seems to, the minute I switch the camera on, she seems to bark non-stop until I switch it off again. Just lately, you can hear the exasperation in my voice, I'm sure. Pineapple bunting, that's cute. I'm not sure it looks like pineapples, but it's cute. That'd be nice with little lights in as well, wouldn't it, string around the garden in the summer. And then they have some stitch, sort of in-depth, step-by-step stitch advice. It's all in UK terms. So triple treble stitch, which would be what we'd call the quadruple stitch, I think, in American terms. The sunglasses case, nice little projects. That's the other thing. There's, in each one, there's, let me just zoom out a little bit. In each one, there's always easy, sort of quick and simple projects that you can do in one sitting, as well as bigger projects that would take a little bit longer. I like that though. What I like about crochet cases and bags and baskets and things is that they're just so easy to wash. You just throw them in the washing machine. That's a cute bag. One of the first things I made, one of the first big projects I ever made was a bag, a beach bag. And you can see it looks really good, doesn't it? But you can see how simple it is when you see it laid out flat like that. It's lovely. Might have a go at that. My daughter's into duffel bags at the minute. Oh, that's lovely. What a gorgeous top. I bet that works up really quick as well. King Cole bamboo cotton. King Cole bamboo cotton is really good for making clothes. And I found it really, where did I find it? Was it purple yarn? I found it really cheap somewhere online. I can't remember where it was. I think it was Purple Yarns, or I'll see if I can remember, and I'll post a link at the bottom in the description. That's a really nice, that's really nice for summer, isn't it? A nice cover up. Alternate stitch. Now I don't even know what this is myself. Oh, it's a, the simple variation on double crochet, which is a single crochet in US terms, is speedy to work and forms an attractive leaf-like motif. The overall effect is to create a dense, firm fabric that can be used as an alternative to double crochet. Make a foundation chain, base the total number of chains on a multiple of 2 chains plus 1 extra. Oh, I might have to try that because I've not tried that before. Let's try that. The Thermador Curtain. Oh, this is actually something I need. 4 50-gram Rico Creative Cotton. Wow. I've got all that as well in my stash. I think I'll be making that. So watch out for that one. Oh yeah, look at it. It's lovely. A mandala cushion. I have made one of these before and it was great, really fun to make, loved it. That's the back of it. They're great, aren't they? And you don't have to keep changing your colour. You can do it all in the same colour, or you could do a couple of rows of white, a row of pink, a couple of rows of white, a row of pink, something like that. And working in the round, yeah, we know that, and using stitch markers. Fabulous. Well, I think I'll have a go at this straight away. But first of all, I will have a look, well, not straight away, because I'm going to have a look at book 9. Book 9 looks interesting. I'm going to have a bit of a crochet binge soon, because I've been really focusing on papercraft. That's a nice colour, nice pale blue. I don't think that, we haven't had that one before. Let's have a look. Blue ring hexagon. Leftover sky blue. This is called River. And the leftover sky blue from another project. That looks pretty straightforward, that one. But I'll do that one as well. I started doing them on video, so I may as well carry on. Children's toys. Cute toys for kids. Oh, look at that little kid's bag. You know, I wish I could have crocheted when I had my little girl. My daughter was a little girl, because she would have loved it if I'd made her all these cute little things. She loves handmade things. She's grown up. Oh, look at that, a lightsaber. You could batter each other as much as you wanted with them, couldn't you? It's not going to hurt. 3 striped mice. Oh, they're so cute. I'm going to have to make one of those. Quadruple treble stitch. That's a nice long stitch, that. Toy baskets. They're cute. They'll be great for Christmas, wouldn't they, in that colour? Bright bowls, I love that. That's so cute for a tiny baba. Cool cat tiger. That would be an acquired taste. It's not my thing, kind of thing, that one. Bit scary. Oh, a wand and a crown. Cute. I don't know if it's just my kids or if it's all kids, but I know when I was little, I loved things that my mum had made. She made me a Humpty Dumpty. Oh, I loved that thing. And she used to make all the dresses for my dolls, and I just loved it. I think when you make things for your kids, I think they just really appreciate them because they know that they're special and that nobody else has got one. And there's just something really lovely about getting toys, or getting anything that your mum's made. My mum died in February, and the dresses that I've got that she made for my daughter are just so precious to me now. Working around 2, and then that's our blooming hexagon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my other yarns, and I'm going to make these 2 hexagons. Might not do them both now, but I'll have a crack.